Okay, let's open up our Spire workbooks, and today we're going to do pages 5 and 6. As always, you'll need a pencil, and we're going to work together through this. On this page, we have a word bank at the top. We're going to read the words and then place the word with the correct picture. The first word in our box is glad. 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 So let's see if anyone or anything looks glad. I'm going to say maybe this girl down here. She looks like she's singing and dancing, and she must be glad. She's glad because it's almost Christmas, and she is going to get a Starbucks card for Christmas. Yay! All right. Glad has been used. Okay, our next word. Oh, this is an easy one. You guys probably already know this one. Cat. Cat. Well, here's our cat. Look how cute that cat is. C-A-T. Cat. Good job. The next word. Tag. Tag. Where is the tag? Well, looky over here. We have a dress, maybe a nightgown, not sure, with a tag on the side. Tag. T-A-G. The next word, fan. Here we go. Here's the fan. F-A-N. Fan. Next, the word is bat. Bat. Bat is in the middle. B-A-T. Bat. Coming down, this word looks a little bit tricky, but it's not. We're just going to break down every sound. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. Plant. So there's that P, the L, A, N, T. I almost didn't have enough room for that, did I? Plant. Next word, rag. Rag. I'm guessing this is my rag here. This looks a lot nicer than my rags that I have. But R-A-G. My rags at home have like little frays on them. I'll make this one a little frayed. How about that? Now it looks like a genuine rag from Mrs. Plowman's house. Okay. Next word. Nap. Nap. Oh, there's our friend who likes to nap in the woods. Nap. For Christmas, he wants a bed. Nap. N-A-P. Then we have the word hat. So here's a hat. Oh, and check it out. They have one more word up there. Guess what? They're trying to trick us. We don't have a picture of jam, so we're not going to use that word. There is no jam on our page. All right, let's turn our page over, and we're going to work on the back. Again, we have several words, and we need to complete the sentences. So we have a picture of an ant, and we've got a cat that's crying. This cat is just a hot mess. He's so sad. So here's our story. Jan has she has an aunt. So not like an aunt. She has an aunt, like a bug. If she has one, she probably has 40, to tell you the truth. Okay, Jan has an aunt, A-N-T. I've used aunt one time. Let's get rid of one of those. The next sentence starts with the aunt. Aunt is, the aunt is what? Well, it's hard to tell on this page, but the aunt is tan. That's what we're going to fill this sentence in with. Tan. T-A-N. Try and stay on the lane better than I did. Ooh, look at that mess. All right, what else do we know about this ant? Okay, the ant is he at? The ant is ant. That would be silly. Is he sad? The ant doesn't appear to be sad. He's not cat, and he's not ant. We're not going to say the ant is ant. That makes no sense. So I'm going to assume that we've got ourselves a very fat ant. He needs to stay away from the picnic baskets, that fat ant. Now, let's go down to the next one. Jan, as, has Jan has a cat. C-A-T. And what do we know about this cat? The cat has guess who the cat has? He has the ant. A-N-T. The ant. And the cat is only one word left. And what's going on with that cat? He is so sad. The cat is sad. S-A-D. Complete your worksheet. Your workbook page, rather. Keep it inside the workbook, and you can put away your workbook and your pencil for today, and tomorrow we'll do the next few pages. Good job.